Hello everyone, welcome you all to this lecture about system calls from the subject operating system. This is the Katpavalli, Assistant Professor, Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, Ramco Institute of Technology, Rajapalayam. First, we need to understand what is system calls. System call is an interface between user program and the operating system. It allows the user application to request services from the OS kernel. It mainly used to act as a bridge between user mode and the kernel mode. Examples for system calls are reading a file, writing a process, allocating memory, then communicating with devices. Why are system calls required? The user programs cannot directly access the hardware resources. It provides controlled and secure access to system resources. It is mainly used to ensure protection and resource management. A text editor cannot directly write any data to a hard disk. So it mainly uses the write system call to request the OS to perform the operation. How a system calls works. First, user program requests a service, then the system call is invoked. CPU switches from user mode to kernel mode, then OS executes the requested service, then the control return back to the user mode. So here we have an example, read of file descriptor, comma buffer, comma 100. So it is mainly used to read the information from the file. The information will be stored in the buffer. So these are the types of system calls. Process control system calls, file management system call, then device management system calls, information maintenance system calls, then communication system calls, protections and security system calls. Let's see one by one. So first one, process control system calls. The process control system calls is mainly used to manage the process creation as well as process execution and process termination. So the common system calls are fork system call. It is used to create a new process. Then execute system call. It is used to execute a program. Then wait system call. It is used to wait for child process. Then exit system call. It is used to terminate the process. So here we have an example. The process ID is equal to fork. So it is used to create a child process. An example for using the fork system call. So here we have used the fork system call. Then it, print the statement hello. Then this program will print the statement hello in two times. Here the parent process is duplicated. So both parent process and child process execute the printf statement. So the printf statement will be print two times. Second system call is file management system calls. It is mainly used to manage the files as well as directories. So here some common system calls are there. First one, open system call. It is used to open a file. Then a read system call. It is used to read the information from the file. Then write system call. It is used to write the data into the file. Then the close system call. It is used to close the file once the operation is completed. Then here is the example. So file descriptor is equal to, here we are opening the file in read only mode. So open of file name comma read only mode. So it will open the file in read only. So here is the example. So here we just open the file in read only mode. So file descriptor is equal to open system call we are using. Then file name data text file. Then it read the information. It will store the information into the memory location buffer up to the 100 bytes. Then finally we are closing the file. The next system call name is device management system calls. It is used to control all the hardware devices. So here we have some common system calls are read system call. It is used to read the information from the device. Then write system call. It is used to write the information to the device. Then IO control. It is used to control the devices. So the common devices are printer, keyboard, monitor, and disk drive. The next is information maintenance system call. So it is mainly used to retrieve or modify the system information. So here the common system calls are get PID, that's get process ID. So if you want to get any process ID, we can use this system call get PID. Then if you want to get any user ID, we can use this system called get UID. So it means that get user ID. Then time system call, it is used to get the current time of the system. So here is the example. We can use the system call get PID. So it just to display the informations of process ID. The next is communication system calls. It is used to enable the communication between processes. So here the methods of communication system calls are pipes, then shared memory, message queues, and sockets. So here we are using the system called pipe. It is used to create a communication channel between the processes. So if you want to create the communication channel between any two processes, we can use this pipe system calls. Then next type of system call is protection and security system calls. So it is mainly used to control access to the resources. So here also we have some common examples of protection and security related system calls. The first type of system call is chmod. So the chmod is used to change the permission of any files. Then second system call is chown. So chown means change the ownership. So it is used to change the ownership from any mode to next mode. So third one is the access system call. So it is mainly used to check the access rights, whether the particular user is having read rights or write access or read write access. So if you want to check any access related information, we can use this system call. So here we can use the chmod change permission system call like this chmod, then file name, comma, the particular file descriptor. Then it is used to changes the file permission. Then advantages and disadvantages of all the system calls. So mainly it is used to secure access to all the resources. Then it provides the hardware abstraction. Then it is mainly used to provide the efficient resource management. Then controlled execution. The disadvantages are the context switch overhead will be there. Then performance cost. Then all the system calls are include the complex implementation. Thank you. Thanks for watching.